This is one of the available heater and air conditioner panels for your vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with a different heater and air conditioner system, see your owner's manual for additional information. Press this button and the system will automatically regulate and maintain fan speed, airflow, and temperature in the cabin. If fan speed, airflow mode, or defrost settings are manually adjusted, the system will switch from auto mode to your control. Push this button to manually set the desired temperature for each side of the vehicle. To switch the climate control system back to driver control, press the dual button again to the off position. Press this button to select from the available airflow modes. This icon indicates air will flow from the defroster and foot outlets. The arrows indicate whether the center and side vents or the foot outlets are active. Press this button to recirculate air inside your vehicle. This increases AC efficiency and helps to block outside odors. Press this button to draw in fresh outside air, improving your vehicle's defogging performance. Press this button to manually turn the air conditioner on or off. In hot or humid conditions, a visible mist may be seen coming from the vents when the air conditioner is active. This does not indicate a malfunction. To defrost or defog front and side windows, press this button. The AC indicator light may also illuminate because the AC compressor is activated to help dry the air and improve window clearing performance. The air can still be fully warmed with the AC activated. Press this button to defrost or defog the rear window, and if so equipped, the outside mirrors. If not turned off manually, this function will automatically deactivate in a period of time. For windshield de-icing, set the temperature to maximum heat with the fan set to high. There is a temperature sensor on top of the dashboard that regulates the automatic heater and air conditioner settings. Please keep this area clear of papers and other materials. You can return to automatic control of the heater and air conditioner system at any time by pressing this button. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.